In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Careem app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You will see a colorful icon that looks like a shopping bag with a play symbol on it. This is where you can find a wide range of applications for your Android device. Once you locate the icon, tap on it to launch the store. Depending on your device settings, you might need to log in if prompted. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have access to all the features and updates available in the store. You may see a welcome screen or a prompt for your Google account credentials. Don't worry, entering this information is quick and easy. Next, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This is usually a rectangular box, and it's where you can type in the name of the app you want to find. In this case, type Careem using your on-screen keyboard. As you type, suggestions may appear, making it easier to find the app you want. This search functionality is incredibly helpful because it saves you time that you would otherwise spend scrolling through pages of apps. Once you finish typing, ensure that Careem is correctly spelled, then proceed to the next step. Now select the official Careemesh Everything app developed by Careem. You will recognize it by its distinctive logo, which is often displayed prominently. When you tap on it, you will be taken to the app's page in the Play Store. Here you can read a brief description of what the app does, along with user reviews and ratings. This information is valuable because it gives you insight into the app's functionality and other users' experiences. Make sure you have selected the official app to avoid downloading any imitation versions. Lastly, tap Install to download the app. This button is typically green and located near the top of the screen. Upon tapping it, the app will begin to download and install automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating the installation status. This step is essential because it allows you to access Careem's services directly from your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message or an open button. This means that the app is now ready for you to use. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Careem app on your Android device. Now you can access ride-hailing services, food delivery, and more with just a few taps. Enjoy exploring all the features that Careem offers. Remember, keeping your apps updated is important for security and functionality, so check for updates regularly in the Play Store.